Hello everyone, most valuable stamps of the world from China to Hawaii. China People's Republic 1980 8F Monkey Mint Never Hinged block of 4 with partial plate number 524 in the left selvage. Very fine. Cuba 1910 1 cent green and violet 10 cent special delivery. Center inverted original gum, well centered bold colors, large margins and strong impression. Southern Rhodesia 1964 1 shilling emeralds, green queen's head and the emeralds omitted, one of the rarest errors of Queen Elizabeth II. Strait Settlement 1938 $500 orange and purple King George VI inscribed revenue and revenue, mint never hinged vertical pair. Swaziland 1961 50 cent on 5 shilling type 3 bottom right plate number 1A block of 4, well centered and fresh. Falkland Island 1982 34p Beagle pale brown omitted. Mint never hinged top selvage single with side panel in white rather than brown. Botswana 1966 7.5 cent grey hornbill yellow background, mint never hinged, fresh and one of the key error rarities of the entire British Commonwealth. Estonia 1919 1K orange perforation 14.5 to 14 3/4. Thailand provisional original gum and well centered. Austria 1946 5G plus 3G 12G plus 12G. Unissued anti-fascists, mint never hinged and well centered. Cook Island 1932 1P Brown Lake center inverted original gum, center to top, deep colors and only 12 are recorded. India used in Eden 1854 4 Anna deep red and indigo, second printing head die 2 frame die 1, horizontal pair with wide cutter and wavy dividing lines. Tonga 1897 7.5p King George II, green and black inverted center, original gum, well centered bold colors. Transvaal 1903 5 pound violet and orange, deeply rich color on bright paper, rarely encountered mint never hinged stamp. South Africa 1947 1p to 3p royal visit, trial colors, complete set of 9 trial colors in right selvage bilingual pairs. Hong Kong used in Japan 2 cent brown well struck barred D30 treaty port oval cancel of Hyogo Kobe, one of the finest of the 8 known. South Africa 1952p purple and slate blue official bilingual pair, rich color and pristine paper, very fine, mint never hinged example. Swaziland 1961 1 cent on 1p emerald double surcharge, mint never hinged, left selvage single, second surcharge split as always. Northern Rhodesia 6p dark grey inverted watermark, mint never hinged, bright and fresh, only one sheet was printed and very few survive. Rhodesia and Nyasaland 1956 2.5p ochre strong offset on the reverse, mint never hinged, corner selvage block of 8. South Africa 1987 40 cent mint never hinged, top right cylinder block of 4, only few were sold contrary to regulations. Swaziland 1961 10 cent on 1 shilling double surcharge, mint never hinged, right selvage single, the second surcharge split, very fine and scarce. India Bhopal 1945 2 Anna chocolate error of color imperforate, vertical strip of 3, top 2 stamps with paper maker's watermark. Ascension 1944 4 penny ultramarine and black, perforation 13, mountaineer flaw, original gum, mild hinge remnant, excellent centering and extremely fine. Canada 1939 10 cent dark green special delivery, imperforate vertical pair, large even margins, brilliant color. Albania 1929 5Q to 3 franc airpost overprints, original gum, fresh, well centered and margined, very fine and scarce. Next is Eastern Silica 1920 20H rose imperforate mint never hinged with sheet margin at the top and other margins are large, vibrant color. Canada 1938 10 cent memorial chamber and $1 Chateau de Ramsay imperforate pairs on cards, unused, only 75 pairs of each were made. Leeward Island 1897 Queen Victoria Diamond Jubilee 2.5D dull mauve and blue double overprint, original gum fine to very fine. New Zealand 1899 special post 1 shilling blue green tied by violet, the original Great Barrier pigeongram service double circle hand stamp. France Military Airmail 1943 Battleship Richelieu 5 franc on 10 franc Vincennes overprint reading upwards used with US Airmail on a piece. Italian Papal Roman States 1852 7B black on blue full original gum clear to large margins nice centering and fine to very fine. Southern Rhodesia 1928 5 shilling deep blue and deep blue green original gum lightly hinged rich colors and only few sheets were produced. Southwest Africa 1954 1p to 10 shilling definitives complete set of 25 trial colors mint never hinged perfect centering and large margins. Malta 1956 half p to 1 pound Queen Elizabeth II views bottom left salvage plate number 1 or 1a blocks of 4 most stems mint never hinged. South Africa 1940 10 shilling olive brown and black official bottom right corner salvage block of 4 original gum well centered scarce positional multiple. Hong Kong used in Japan Nagasaki 8 cent orange buff warm shade and large part of clear strike of Nagasaki blue barred N2 treaty port cancel. Oman 1971 5B on 3B to 25B on 1 hour mint never hinged very fine well defined impression large margins and precise centering. Trinidad 1866 pence green clean cut perforation 14 to 15 and a half full original gum lightly hinged intensely rich color. Brazil 1844 180R black with large margins to full bold red cancel intense shade and impression very fine and rare. Vatican City 1949 300L to 1000L UBU Airpost complete set in right sheet margin blocks of 4. Iran 1875 1K yellow unissued issue type B originally printed 500 were never issued with most destroyed only few survived. Brazil Airmail semi-official 1930 Graf Zeppelin USA overprint complete set fresh well centered original gum never hinged and very fine. Egypt postage dues 1884 10p to 5p complete set deep rich color sharp impression original gum and very fine. Russia 1927 7k workers myrtle green imperforate horizontal pair original gum never hinged deep dark rich color and overly generous margins. Italy Rhodes 1935L hydrological congress original gum tiny natural paper inclusion in the bottom perforation tip otherwise very fine. Italy Trieste Zone A Parcel Post 1952 50L Rose Red double overprint only 100 recorded all of which are poorly centered. French colonies Wallis and Futuna 1941 20 franc France Libre overprint 30 copies in small multiple original gum never hinged and very fine. New Zealand 1975 8 cent Josephine Bros Rose imperforate horizontal pair with left sheet margin original gum and extremely fine. Canal Zone 1926 2 cent Carmine Sharp A Zone Canal original gum excellent example of this variety fine and only 180 were issued. United Arab Emirates 1975 unissued swimming championships complete set original gum never hinged bold colors and very fine. France 1861 90C brown on buff bright and fresh with large balanced margins lightened pen stroke on the reverse barely showing through. Now Russia 1927 5K workers deep brown imperforate left margin horizontal pair with original gum huge jumbo margins around. Liechtenstein Airmail 1936 1 franc to 2 franc Hindenburg complete set in the form of blocks of 4 original gum and very fine. Italian local issue Tiramo 1944 Italian Social Republic overprint complete with airs and special delivery fine to very fine. Now Hawaii 1893 10 cent red brown black overprint tiny traces of second overprint at the top but not double overprint variety. South Australia 1859 Queen Victoria 2D red horizontal pair rouletted printed on both sides with large star watermark and pen cancel. New Zealand 1961 3T Co-High imperforate plate proof bottom sheet margin block of 4 original gum never hinged and extremely fine. Now Ireland 1876 10A red carmine on thick paper original gum rich colors and sharp details never hinged fresh and fine appearance. Liechtenstein officials 1932 5R to 1.25F complete specimen overprint with original gum. Russia 1935 20K Mikhail Kalinin brown black imperforate horizontal pair with original gum. Hawaii 1893 6 and green double red overprint, one overprint heavy, second moderate. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.